This is the simplest guide on how to make money quickly and easily with ChatGPT, updated for GPT-4. I'll reveal the techniques in this step-by-step tutorial on how to generate recurring streams of revenue in just a few minutes. Astound your clients by completing their assignments in a flash, at a high standard, and with little effort on their part. Easily find, produce, and market interesting content. Reclaim time to concentrate on the things that truly count. These days, companies spend hundreds of dollars to writers of interesting blogs and articles, and thousands of dollars a month for SEO and social media marketing. Now, with ChatGPT, even those without prior expertise may perform this task with great proficiency. I will walk you through the process, step by step, with copy and paste instructions, so you may undercut current providers while doing virtually little work. The majority of firms are either unaware of this or are not using it at the moment. In a year, this industry might get saturated, but for now is the perfect moment to get started. Download the ChatGPT Millionaire. It's never been this simple to make money online. What's in the book is as follows. Overview of ChatGPT, benefits of ChatGPT utilization, how to open a ChatGPT account, tips for using ChatGPT effectively. With ChatGPT, you can produce excellent content and code more quickly than you ever imagined. Use ChatGPT to generate instantaneous passive revenue streams and earn money. Use ChatGPT to become a superhuman freelancer and complete your client's job in a matter of minutes as opposed to days. In just a few seconds, create and repurpose social media content for several platforms. Write software apps, blog entries, online courses, video scripts, and more with diligence. More than 150 act-as instructions to make sure you can utilize ChatGPT swiftly and effortlessly for any purpose. Constraints using ChatGPT. Click the link below to download your free copy now.